Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on FET AI. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective and then breaking it down to look at key buying areas, potential dollar cost average levels for us to be buying into DCAing. And then we're going to be finishing the video off with some very important bull market targets. Okay, these are going to be 3 targets that we're going to be aiming for the next 6 to 12 months in reference to our potential buying areas that we establish on this video. Before we get into this deeply, guys, I just want to congratulate all of the patron members over on Patreon who pay for the signals, and we put a trade out yesterday and we essentially got a lovely 1% move to the upside. So well done to everyone who got involved with that. If you want to get involved with that, guys, links are in the description. Without further ado, let's get straight into this update for FET AI and see if we can get a gauge on what's really happening right now. So the first thing that I want to be doing here on the short-term time frame is just simply drawing in some trend lines, okay? It's going to be super simple. We're drawing in these trend lines because these are going to be the most reactive points, okay? So you've got resistance, support. Now, as you can see on the micro here, guys, we're actually going to break down to the downside, okay? We have broken lows, okay? We've broken lows here. We've come back up for a retest, and this implies we're going to see a bit more downside, okay? The downside target today for FET would probably be down to around the 60-minute volume weighted ATR band here, and that'd be around a $1.29 there in terms of a price for FET there. The measure move to the downside here is fairly strong. So it is on the hourly, guys. So if you're watching this later on in history, apologies. We will get through to the macro super shortly, and yeah, that's going to be around a 7.06 move to the downside, okay? Moving on to the macro side of things, guys, because we're going to look at market structure here and just the general longer term side of things for FET AI, because FET AI is currently trading at around a $3.3 billion market cap, as you can see here over on CMC. And this is quite interesting because the all-time high that we have seen for this current run, which I do think is the all-time high for FET just in general, if we can zoom out a little bit more, if the chart is going to let us here we go. Yeah, the all-time high is currently in this current bull market, which is super bullish because it means that we've already got there, and that means we're going to be doing Fibonacci extension levels here. But in terms of sort of market structure points, guys, let me just get rid of a couple of indicators so it's easier for us to break this down. You can see that we've got, of course, our bear market swing low at 16 cents, and then from there we've essentially got higher lows. Oh no, that's not a bear market low. That's going to be a higher low, and then this is going to be another higher low coming through from here. This will be our bear market low here. And the reason why we're doing this, guys, is because it's very important to find these market structure points, because these market structure points are super important to determine the structure for the current trend on the macro, right? Now, right now, for FET AI, you can see 47 cents is the higher low market structure point. So if the markets do tank, okay, if they do tank, as long as we're above this level, 47 cents, then we are still going to be bullish, okay? You could say there's higher lows dotted along here, but they're not that valid in terms of a long consolidatory period, in terms of a nice lengthy pullback, right? So yeah, that wouldn't be the most valid point in the world. But what I would say here is, even if we do pull back 64%, we're still going to be bullish. Now let's talk chart patterns. Let's talk where we're currently looking for a potential big breakout scenario here. You can see we've got a very clear chart pattern. It's a bull flag, guys. A bull flag is a downwards sloping parallel channel at the top of a lovely uptrend, okay? What this usually means is a continuation chart pattern here, and the continuation chart pattern looks like this. This is the current measure move that we're looking out for there. Maybe a little bit ski with, but yeah, this is the current measure move we're looking out for there for this potential breakout scenario. And as you can see, the 1585 is a super reactive point in terms of support, okay? Super reactive, as we have seen multiple times here. So if we can break that in confluence with this downward sloping trend line from the all-time high here, then it's going to look very nice for quite a large move of around 53% to the upside, okay? So that's sort of what we're going to be looking for a target there for FET AI for the macro when we do see a breakout scenario coming through from this lovely buy zone here. Now, talking buy zones, talking areas for us to be looking out for here, over the next sort of couple of weeks here if we do see the markets carry on transcending in this micro downtrend. The DCA levels would be the 0.236 here, just at around 84 cents. I would expect a massive bounce from there, if not a market recovery point. Okay, so that is definitely going to be a point to be looking out for there. So we put that as our buying area, and then essentially we now need to discover and have a look at potential bull market targets here for the next 6 to 12 months. So the way that I'm going to be doing this, guys, is zooming out here on the weekly, and what we're going to be doing, Fibonacci from the low to the current high, okay, to the current high, which is, if I can get it right, which is literally just here, guys, up at around $3.57, and then we're going to be using extension levels from that point, okay? So let's break this down. If we're going to be going for this buy level, the first bull market target for me personally would be $3.58. It would be the current all-time high. Only naturally, guys, we have to sort of weigh that up, and then after that, I would be simply just going for previous Fibonacci extension levels from that point, okay? And that will be putting us up to around $37 a coin, which in my opinion is completely ridiculous. I don't think we're going to be getting anywhere near that right now. But if we are looking at percentages, how many X's you can make here, it's actually going to be a 27.5X to that level, okay? So it's an AI coin, it's Fetch AI, it's reliable, it's got resource. So yeah, I do think that it's not completely out of the works here, and I do think this bull market will bring some insane price action, but I think this is a bit of an overstretch in my opinion. I would be going for something a little bit smaller, previous extension of around $15.02 there. That is not too far away here. We'll be around an 18x on our investment, and if we are looking at the market cap for that, guys, it's basically a 10x would be $33 billion, and then probably looking around a $50 billion market cap for FET AI. And right now, in terms of a $50 billion market cap, that's probably just under Solana here between XRP as well. So not completely out of the water, guys, because you can imagine a lot of these market caps will be 10xing in this next massive alt season. So I do think it is possible for FET AI to be getting there. Before we end this video, guys, I just want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron. As you can see, we offer loads of different memberships here, and in these memberships you get spot trading alerts, access to all the indicators. There's free ebooks in there with $1 million strategies for this next alt season that we're going to see. And also, if you're fully down to commit into your trading here, you can actually get the biggest package, which is $104, and that basically includes all 100% discount on all crypto masterclass courses and all other educational courses here for New Money Network, and also access to everything else as well. If you did just want to sign up as a free member, you can do that as well. By signing up as a free member, you will actually get access to one free Bitcoin trade per day, and then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get their trading alerts coming through here, basically 3 paid trade setups, and on top of all the other indicators and strategies that we've got alerts going off in Telegram, and primarily hosted in Discord. Also in Discord, guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can. Every membership will give you access here, and essentially the Discord is amazing here, guys. We have early new projects here for you to get involved with, as well as giveaways, live TA, trading alerts, and also signals and all that good stuff as well. So yeah, if you want to get involved with that, you can. All the links are in the description for the Patreon memberships and also the Discord as well. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. If you could drop a like on the video, it would help us out tremendously, and let me know in the comment section of your opinions on Fetch AI.